All right, Gavin, what are we doing?
Crack.
How much crack are we doing?
All of it.
All of the crack.
But, nah, man. That fence needs to be fixed. Of course. And then price the sheet metal. If not, we're just gonna get another fucking frame. And then hopefully the sheet metal comes with it.
No, all of it. All of it.
All of it.
Full
goes?
frame is full metal frame, sheet metal, and everything. I'll show you inside. It's 10 by 20 and it's $1,600. So once you get inside, I'll pull it back up on the computer.
And we got all these engines and nothing to work on.
Then I still got stuff in my storage unit. I still have the V6. So I still have the 4.3 that's in the unit too.
Oh, Charles is getting rid of that G6 in my mama's yard.
Is he?
Yeah. He's telling Norwood to take it to the fucking junkyard.
What's wrong with it?
Just the transmission.
That's it?
That's it.
Everything else runs in the motherfucker?
According to Bryson. That would be a flipper right there.
Yeah, that would put money in both of our pockets. So G6 transmission, huh?
Yeah.
Motor
G6.
What's the mileage on it?
I don't know.
Alright, working on the fence. We're gonna tear this motherfucker down. We're gonna tear the fence down. Excuse my language. We're gonna put a new one up. My dad over there figuring out all the wood and the poles and stuff.
You got a pipe here, and you got a pipe here. You're gonna need the saws off.
To cut a lot of the wood off. Alright, I can go grab the saws off.
They got bolts in this.
That's fine. I got my impact and tools and stuff.
All of this shit.
Yeah, all of that's gotta get cut out first. I really wanted to go get some weed killer before we did this, but I figured tearing the fence down first is the best bet. That way we can stack everything off to the side.
You do have some of them wood cutting blades left. Huh?
I got a ton of blades left.
I mean, taking the fence down ain't a problem.
No.
I can have it down in about 20 minutes.
It's a big fence to take down, though. It's a long fence to take down.
You counted them right?
I measured it from Google.
Huh?
I measured it from Google. Google has a thing to where you could do like the you could do distance, and then the distance, it said 50 foot. So I based it off the 50 foot that they had. So it should work. It should work pretty well. If not, I can always go back and buy more wood.
I mean, it's one board for every 6 inches.
Yeah.
2 boards per foot.
Yeah. And
how many boards did you buy?
110. It's a lot. Look, trust me, it's a lot. Like, some of the boards aren't bad. It's just they did do 3.
Huh?
They did do 3 boards.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
So I'll have to be careful with that.
Where's your tape measure at?
Inside. I'm gonna go grab it.
I'll see how far apart. I told you them pipes look like they're 10 foot apart.
You think? How many boards you count right there?
I didn't write it all down.
Yeah, but how many boards do you count right here?
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? And then you said if they're 6 inches, that's 2,
Yeah.
that's a foot, 2 foot,
So that's
3
6
foot,
foot.
4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot.
Yeah, 8 foot. No.
Gotta be around 8 foot, if not the gap in between. Alrighty, got that pole straightened out. Had to go running back and forth between here and Home Depot and Lowe's a couple times. That pole straightened out. We got that pole in place, or that 4x4 in place. Ran out of poles, so 4x4 it is. Dug it 2 foot, put a bag of concrete in it, wet the concrete after, mixed it a little bit. It's set. Motherfucker's not going nowhere. Working on getting this concrete pulled because the pole itself broke, so we'll get that out. Then we got to do straighten this one back out, straighten that one back out, and then replace that one with another 4x4 pole. After all of that, I think that we should be pretty clear. And then I got to level all of this back off Want to level all of this back off so I can start putting up my wood. The fence boards, and then I gotta go get 8 16-foot boards, 2x4s. That way I could start putting them all the way across the fence and then start putting the fence boards up. And I might paint that fence over there. I don't know if I want to paint it or not. And then it's getting rid of all of this. It's a lot of trash. A lot of trash. And then once I get rid of all of this, then I can have a nice clean backyard again. All right, back at it again. A couple days later, I'm about to get this fence put up. Finally went and got the wood. Got to put up the 2x4s next. See where those map out at, and then after 2x4s, just get rid of all this junk. Free time is hard to come by, but we're getting it, and then cleaning up. Right, Dad?
Yep.
Remember, people, always have the right tools. We doing this shit half-assed, but don't follow us. We're not experts. I'm just trying to do this very cheap.
Got 9 6-inch bolts.
Yeah.